Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys if you are facing that your voice volume is very low on the other side. It might be your setting of your Zoom is wrong. So first, make sure you connect to right microphone because maybe you have two or more than one microphone on your settings. So for me, I'm recording right now using this microphone, and then this one is for the Zoom. This is the built-in microphone on my laptop. So after you choose the right microphone, you can click on this again and then click this audio settings, and then make sure you turn your volume of microphone into the maximum, so it will give you the louder voice of you, and then perhaps it will solve your problem and person on the other side would hear you clearly and loudly. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.